Welcome back, guys. This is my AI YouTube channels that got monetized 2 days ago, and this is the money I made in 2 days, 1.73, roughly $2. Again, I am not making any videos myself. I use AI to create a script. I use Pictory AI to make videos. This is another series on this my personal YouTube channels. I will try to upload every single day the progression of these channels. So today's date is 25th February 2023. As of now, the channels got monetized in 2 days ago and is monetized on 22nd and 23rd. And you can see in 2 days I earned this much of money. And if you see, click the views, roughly getting somewhere between 3 to 4,000 views every single days, and the watch time roughly 30 hours of watch time, and subscriber roughly 5 to 6 subscriber every single day. I am not buying subscribers, I'm not buying watch time, I'm not buying views. This growth is organic, and this is why I want to do in this series. I'm gonna give you real proof of growing YouTube channels. So every single day I try to upload these progression videos, what I did in the previous day, what type of video I made, how I did my research, what I changed and everything, and how much money I am making every single day from this AI YouTube channels. Again, guys, AI YouTube channels is working in 2023 and you can make money from it. Again, it requires hard work. You need to upload content every single day in order to grow your channels. Otherwise, if you upload 1 or 2 videos and waiting to magic to happen, never going to happen. That you can see, this is hard work. That you can see here, I already scheduled 4 shorts already for today's and 1 longer videos. And if you see, go back the date 24th, 23rd, 22nd, 21st, from January to now, every single day I am uploading videos. This growth happened in 2 months. If I did that continuously for another 6 months, I believe my channel can pass 10,000 mark. Never know, guys. All you have to do is, doesn't matter, don't worry about the content you have to create high quality. No, just create it, learn from your mistake, keep uploading videos, and don't ever delete your old videos. Keep uploading and you can learn from your mistake and you can grow your YouTube channels. And this is an example. So this is a series 1 today, and I try to upload every single day. It should be a short, or should be 1 or 2 minutes minutes videos to show you the progression of this channel. This channel is called Daily Dose of Fact. You can go and check it out. My channels, I know hiding these channels. This is an experiment I am making, and this channel got monetized. I'm happy about it, and I don't worry about the money right now, guys, because I know this channel have a potential to grow, because this channel get over 100,000 views in 1 month. Then my personal channel required at least 7 months to make 100,000 views, but this channel get that view in 1 month. Majority of the views is coming from YouTube Shorts. As you can see, the 126,000 views is coming from the shorts. If I go to the longer videos, only 7,000 views is coming from the longer video. Don't worry about it, it will work out in the end, guys. So if you want to learn, if you want to watch this series every single day, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and please, guys, leave a comment what kind of video you want me to make. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.